Dear students, welcome to Geography Unit number 5, India Forest Resources. In this video, let us discuss about the answers for the questions which are given in 10th Standard Social Science Part 1. These questions are given in page number 118 of Social Science Part 1. After watching this video, click below and you will get the links of previous chapters. Let's start. Fill in the blanks with suitable answers. First one, the dash forest do not shed their leaves all at the same time in the year. Answer is the tropical evergreen forests. Second one, monsoon forests are also known as dash. Monsoon forests are also known as the tropical deciduous forests. Third one, the Himalayas have dash type of forests. The Himalayas have mountain type of forests. Fourth one, the dash forests are mainly found in the deltas of rivers. The mangrove forests are mainly found in the deltas of rivers. Fifth one, the Nagarjuna Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary is in dash state. The Nagarjuna Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary is in Telangana state. Second main, answer the following questions after discussing them in groups. First question, what is meant by forests? Answer, a large area of land covered with trees and undergrowth is called forests. Second question, name the area where desert vegetation is found in India. Answer is, these are found in areas with annual rainfall of 10 to 50 centimeters. The Thar Desert, parts of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and last one is Deccan Plateau. These are the areas where desert vegetation is found. Third question, mention the measures for the conservation of forests. The measures for the conservation of forests are, first one, control of deforestation, restriction on grazing, control of forest fires, prevention of encroachment on forests. Fifth one, control of forests, insects and diseases. Sixth one, controlling illegal cutting of trees. Seventh one, scientific cutting of trees. Eighth one, legislation to check deforestation, encourage afforestation. Last one is creating of awareness among the people about the importance of forests. These are all the measures which can be taken for the conservation of forests. Question number 4. What is meant by wildlife sanctuaries? Answer is, wildlife sanctuary refers to a place meant for providing protection to wildlife. It is an area where killing or capturing of any species of animals is prohibited except under orders of the competent authority. Question number 5. Name the national parks of Karnataka. The national parks of Karnataka are Bandipur, Bannerghatta, and Nagarhole. These three are the national parks of Karnataka. Sixth and the last question. Mention the main objectives of biosphere reserves. The main objectives of biosphere reserves are: first one, conservation; second one, research; third one, education; last one, local involvement. These are the main objectives of biosphere reserves.